Next topic is RC two-stage coupled amplifier. In last slide, in last session, we seen the single stage amplifier. If you are not getting, suppose sufficient amplitude, okay, if you want to increase the your source signal amplitude, okay, you can use next to another stage, same another stage you can use, that is called RC two stage coupled amplifier. Okay, the first stage, it is coupling with the help of coupling capacitor, and first stage output we are giving to the next stage as an input with the help of this CE capacitor. Okay, it is with help of coupling capacitor, that is the CC capacitor. First stage of CC capacitor output we are giving to the Q2 transistor, that is the second stage. Okay, with help of this coupling capacitor. Okay, if that capacitor is not present, what happen means the RC resistor reactance, RC resistor and this biasing resistor combined, and that will change the operating point. Okay, and also if that capacitor is not present, both AC and DC component added to the Q2 transistor. Okay, so to avoid that, we are using the coupling device, that is the coupling capacitor. Okay, the first stage signal we are giving input signal, the phase is difference for first single stage 180 degrees, because at output side VCE is equal to VCC minus IC into RC. Okay, so we will get the, for a single stage CE amplifier, 180 degrees phase shift. That 180 degrees phase shift we are giving to the Q2 transistor. So Q2 transistor that will amplify the input signal, and you will get the output at same phase. For a second stage, for a even stage coupling capacitor, you will get the same phase. For a add stage amplifier, you will get the out of phase signal. Okay, so if you see the circuit operation, for a positive half cycle IB current increases, because base positive base is suppose that is the NPN transistor, P region is the base region, so positive potential given to the base region, so P type material, so we are giving positive potential, so means IB current increases. What happen? IC current increases, VC voltage decreases, so VC voltage decreases, so low value we are giving to the Q2 transistor. So Q2 transistor we are giving low, means emitter across Q2 transistor emitter base junction current decreases. So current decreases means IC current decreases. Means what happen? Q2 transistor output voltage increases. Okay, so this is a observation for operation. Similarly, input signal negative cycle we are giving to the Q1 transistor. So negative cycle means negative voltage we are giving to the P region. So negative voltage means reverse bias, means Q1 transistor across emitter base junction base current decreases. So base current decreases means IC current decreases. Means VC voltage increases. So VC voltage one stage of first stage VC voltage increases means high voltage, so that high positive potential we are giving to the Q2 transistor, IB current increases now. IB2 current we can say for Q2 transistor, IB2 current increases, IC2 current increases, VC2 voltage decreases. So that is the output waveform. Okay, so this is the circuit operation of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. So two-stage RC coupled amplifier, what happen means your gain increases, but bandwidth will be decreases. Okay, when you are increasing the more number of amplifier stages, okay, gain increases, but bandwidth decreases. Okay, so that is called gain bandwidth product. Okay, so two-stage coupled amplifier, we are increasing the signal amplitude, means your gain increases, current gain increases, voltage gain increases, input impedance decreases, output impedance is also little bit moderated. Okay, and the phase shift is 0 or 360 degrees, and we can use this configurations in many, suppose audio application we can use. Next, advantages of RC coupled amplifier: very wide band, wide frequency response, wide frequency response. It is most convenient coupling. It is inexpensive way of coupling. Distortion in output is low. It is high fidelity amplifier, no core distortions. No core distortions. Application of C amplifier, common RC two-stage coupled amplifier, we can use in public address amplifier systems, tape record, TV, voltage control, suppose a receiver, VCR, TV, VCR, and CD players, stereo amplifiers. RC coupled amplifiers are basically voltage amplifiers.